Introducing the Cold Weather Start Kit by WhisperKOOL. This kit was designed exclusively for our split systems, where the condensing unit will be installed in extremely cold environments. Our split systems are designed to be adaptable to almost any install, as the condensing unit can be located in a variety of locations, such as a mechanical room, basement, backyard, or even a rooftop. Our split systems were designed to operate with the condensing unit exposed to temperatures between 20 degrees and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. However, there are some areas in the country that may drop below 20 degrees. Due to these conditions, WhisperKOOL designed the Cold Weather Start Kit. So when the outside temperature drops, the pressure in the system drops as well. This presents a challenge because our systems operate using a pump down cycle and a low pressure switch to turn the compressor on and off. However, when the temperature drops below 20 degrees, the pressure in the system is too low to start the compressor. The use of an electronic bypass is needed to start the compressor, and temperature-controlled heaters installed on the receiver are needed to raise the pressure in the system to optimal levels. The Cold Weather Start Kit will bypass the low-pressure switch on startup and keep the pressure in the system high enough to operate correctly for environments as cold as -15 degrees. It is important that the cooling system stays operational during cold weather conditions, as heating the house using the central HVAC system will indirectly increase the temperature of the wine cellar. This kit will ensure that the cooling system will continue to operate efficiently in cold weather environments to maintain an optimal wine storage temperature. The Cold Weather Start Kit can be ordered as an upgrade on the new unit from the factory, or as an option for a unit already installed in the field, which comes with instructions to guide a technician through the install.